Hello and welcome to another video by Huggy Bunnies. I hope you enjoy. Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be doing my squishy collection, as I have not done a collection video for a while, so I really hope you enjoy this video. Bye! Okay, so hello everyone! Today I'm doing my squishy collection, and don't mind this here. This is my beautiful little pug Lola, and she's going to be helping me today. So I'm doing my squishy collection. I would show you what they're stored in, but it's too big to fit under the camera. I don't want to scare Lola, so I'm just going to take them out one by one, kind of show you them, and yeah, we'll just see how we go. So quickly, here is Lola. Up there. I failed. She's there. Yeah, let's get started. Lola, out of the way of the camera. So here's our first ones, and we have a Hello Kitty bread, and we have a little Hello Kitty face bread. I also have this bun, and I have 3 of these ice creams. Plus, sorry for like rattling and stuff, but they're kind of all packaged in bags and stuff, so sorry. I have this croissant with a kissy face. No, you can't eat it. I have a Hello Kitty loaf, and this squishy is quite big, as you can see. So that one looks like. I have another another croissant. I don't know what face to call that, but yeah. I've got another bun, and this is like a really happy looking bun. Stop licking it. This is a happy bun. Let me just get, oh gosh, just not touching down. Just get my squishies closer. Okay, I also have Pluto in little bread. I have this panda bun with its tongue sticking out. I have a Reliquina cupcake. I'm going to go quite quick because I've got loads. Another croissant. A Reliquina burger. This little cinema roll. A Hello Kitty ice cream. A Minnie Mouse bun. A Winnie the Pooh bread. This Hello Kitty shaped head donut. This little cupcake. This little macaroon. This adorable swish roll. I got this while I was away one year on holiday. And this button's top's not very squishy, but this bit is. It's kind of more decadent style. I've got the Sammy the Patissier heart macaroon. I've got this foot bread thing. A sandwich. I've got this little bun with Minnie Mouse on, and a bun with a tiger. I have a bread, a Mickey Mouse on a little bun, Winnie the Pooh on toast, Reliquina waffle, sort of ice cream, Reliquina bun, Reliquina honey toast, I think. Little sundae. You can see that all right there. This snowman with ice cream on his head. No, it's not edible. These two Hello Kitty heads. This bunny, it's like double-sided. I think they're just two stuck together. I don't even know. This toast with Kiratori on. Another toast. This pink bear bun thing. This toast. I have a lot of toast. It's got a giraffe. Another cinema roll friend thing, whatever they're called, I don't know. More ice creams. Daisy duck bread. Kiritori. A little tiger bun thing, I don't even know. Oh gosh guys, there's so many. This smiley face and this smiley face. This big Hello Kitty ball. An angry bird. This donut in like a Raccoon head shape. This sundae, I've got loads of like little sundaes and things. This little bear cake. Another no, not a macaroon, a croissant. Toast. Waffle. Guys, look, there's so many. Oh gosh. This is one I like decorated myself. A piece of toast. I'm just gonna like grab a bunch and put them here. This guy, Ampan Man, something like that. Little cute cat looking thing. A set of Kiritori's. Ampan Man, I think that is. Ralakuma. I'm not sure the name of that one. A Hello Kitty sort of sushi-like thing, and a little panda. Another sandwich. This tofu. This Ralakuma. This My Melody. Snowman. A little square cake. These two little cupcakes. I've got a panda bun, a bread type thing, and a bun with a face on. I've got this long baguette, and that's really squishy. I've got this little bun. I have this little bun and this little bun thing at the top. I don't know what they're called. This donut. This pizza slice. Another little snowman thing. Luigi. A mushroom cat. A little cupcake. A Hello Kitty in some sort of mushroom outfit. Another cake. Stitch. Another Hello Kitty cake. This is cinema roll. This is so cute. I love this one. It's so squishy. Ampan Man. This little guy. I've got this little charm that I just keep in here because I like it. It's a Hello Kitty one. I just dropped that. This cake. This an alien thing. I don't even know. Chippendale. A foot. This toast. Ratakuma. A panda bun. A Karelakuma. I don't know the name of that one. Winnie the Pooh hamburger. This little cute thing. A turtle bun. And another Karelakuma. And then I've got my final few. So I've got this little bear, this little ice cream thing, and another little bear. Oh gosh. I don't know where to put them all. This little guy, Kiratori bun. This cute little Hello Kitty ice cream. Donald Duck bread. Sentimental Circus thing. Mario. Ratakuma roll. Another one of them little cinema roll friend things. Oh, nearly there. This little guy. A donut. This cake. A piece of toast. And finally, my very favourite is this little bunny. And this is a Hello Kitty one. And they're the little bunnies that are furry. I really like this one. So yeah, they are all my squishies. So I just wanted to give you a little better look at Lola. Here she is. And she is so cute. There she is. She's so sweet. So if you'd like to see more of her, do let me know and I will get that sorted. No, don't eat me. No. So yeah, bye. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this collection video. And I hope you enjoyed seeing my little pug Lola. Oh gosh, mind the camera, sweetie. If you'd like to see more of her, then comment down below and I will show you more of her. She's trying to run away. Oh gosh, look. Lola, there's the camera. Look. There she is. She always gets too close. So thank you so much for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe and all of that stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, add me on Instagram and add me on DeviantArt. Bye.